the next step I'm going to show you is our indecision. So if you can do on the floor a mambo, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then you can do an indecision. It's just based on this mambo move. So if you were to take this to the step, you're already halfway there. So just keep a mambo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your indecision starts, it's one mambo, but that second mambo taps down onto the floor in front of the step. Now, a good way to learn this one is to get that lead leg down first, and don't worry about the lift and lower of the non-lead foot, okay? Tap, back, over, back. It's just a tap, okay? Right lead, tap the step, tap back, tap over, tap back. Once you have the motion of that lead leg, then you can just kind of allow your opposite foot to just lift and lower, because remember, it's based on just marching. So every time one foot lowers, the other one's lifting, and vice versa. Tap the step, back, over, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can practice it on the ground, no step, if that helps. So this is our indecision. Tap the step, back, over, back. Step, back, over, back. Step, back, over, back. Let's do one more. And it's all based on this march. Okay, so let's try it with the left. Left foot taps the step, back, over, back. Step, back, over, back. Okay, let's just do a mambo with the left foot. Forward, back. Forward, back. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You can always keep this, or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap the step, back, over, back. Step, back, over, back. So get the leg, the lead leg down first. Keep it light. Tap the step, back, over, back. Step, back, over, back. It's just a tap. Just let those arms naturally swing. I have found with this step in particular, if you can just kind of let the arms swing, it'll help you kind of get in a rhythm for this move, indecision. Let's try 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more, and then just a mambo. So here's your substitute. In fact, the whole first half of that step is this. Okay? So you could always just hang on and do 2 of these. All right, so that's our indecision.